Assalamu alaikum students, this is Nosheen and today we are going to discuss about a very important and interesting topic called the reported speech, and we also call it direct and indirect speech. So let's move on to the definition of it. So reported speech is telling others what another person has said. Okay, it is kind of a third person talking. So let's see some examples of it. Whenever we convert direct speech into indirect speech, we are in need of some pronouns which can be converted like this, that whenever there is a sentence which use I in the direct speech, so whenever we convert it in reported speech like in direct speech, we use it he or she instead of I. In the same way, all these direct speeches which are in pink color would be converted into these reported speeches which are into black color. And there are some other direct speeches like now, and it converts in indirect, like today it converts in that day. In the same way, there are lots of direct speeches which converts in indirect speeches in this way. There are some more like is become in was, and other don't become didn't, and lots of other all of the others direct speeches which can be converted in indirect speech. Let me tell you an example. As you can see in the picture that there are two friends over here, okay, and this is the Friday night, and one of the friend is talking to other and saying that I will call you tomorrow. That means on Saturday. Over here, that friend is telling to another friend that he said that he would call me the next day, in the following to Tuesday. She was telling to another friend of hers that the person who has asked her that I will call you tomorrow, so she is telling another friend that he said that he would call me the next day. So whenever we convert the direct speech into indirect speech, we follow this formula, like subject plus verb plus these apostrophes and the direct speech and plus apostrophes. So over here, like Carl said, comma, apostrophe started, the subject over here is I, will is the helping verb over here, and call you is the verb, okay, and you is the object. So over here the sentence remain the same. We only have to change the subject and the object, which would be like a noun or a pronoun. Okay, mostly there are pronouns. So over here, whenever we convert the sentence by using this formula, that becomes our reported speech. So let me show you some more examples. Like over here you can see direct speech, she said comma apostrophe start I can swim apostrophe close full stop. So whenever we convert this sentence into indirect speech, that becomes the first pronoun or the first noun with the helping verb, with the verb will remain the same. So she said remain the same. Only we have to do is we have to take away the comma and the apostrophes, and we need to write it and convert it directly. Okay, so what we have to do is that over here the same person is telling about himself or herself that I can swim. So over here the another person is giving his you can say statement about the another person that she said she could swim. Okay, so whenever we convert the direct speech into indirect speech, so we only have to change the subject, okay, and the object, but there is no object, so we cannot change it, and the helping verb as well. Okay, so the present form would be kind of converted into the past form. Okay, so over here, let's suppose there is a question. she said, she shall we start? So over here, this is the question, so we have to change the statement because this is a question, so we cannot put sad again, we have to put asked. Okay, and if we should start means the another person is giving the statement about ourselves, means themselves. Okay, shall we start, if we should start. Okay, so these kind of sentences, like, they both have the same meaning, but direct speech is the simple way of telling something and indirect speech is the little bit complicated way of telling something. Okay, so hope you understood the concept of direct speech and indirect speech, kind of reported speech. So thank you so much, see you next time, Allah Hafiz.